Hey everyone, so it's currently peeing it down. It is really heavy rain. In fact, I'm gonna stand under that tree, I think, so it's the driest spot. So I think I'm gonna just chill here for a minute until the shower passes over. But yeah, this is like the driest bit here. Crazy, I'm soaking and I got my GoPro with me today. I'm doing some GoPro footage, so today's vlog should be kinda cool. Daisy doesn't mind the rain. I mean, it's only water, right? It's not that bad. Welcome to Scotland, everyone. We're on the move again. It's slightly clearing up, but every car keeps going past, we're like raising all the water on the ground. So I'm gonna get wet standing there because of all the spray. So I might as well walk, because I'm gonna get wet anyway, so might as well. So horses. I mean, I do have a hat on, but it's not the best hat. It's got holes in it. But, oh well. It's Scotland, it rains all the time. It rains more than it does any other weather. Oh my god, that rain is crazy. I'm currently hiking in the bus at until it passes, and one of my hearing aids has died, which isn't very good. It's crazy. We went under some trees, so my hat kind of got a bit drenched. I'm soaked. You look like a John Black hat. Oh my god. I don't know whether we should chance it and just literally like run home. Well, I mean run. I'm like half an hour away from home, so maybe not run, but I don't know. Either run and stay here till it's over, but then this could last all night, so I don't know. It's a little bit later now and I've showered and I feel so much better and drier from earlier. That rain earlier, oh my god, it was crazy. It was so heavy, but when the rain was hitting the ground, it was like bubbling. It was that kind of rain, like torrential, crazy rain. So yeah, it wasn't fun, but we got home and we're both dry. We're just chilling over there. Daisy's still a little bit wet, so I'm keeping them over there for just now. I've just been getting all my GoPro footage and putting it into my phone, so I'm about to edit that. So hopefully this vlog is live and it's up. Hopefully. Only one clip that I filmed on the GoPro. It was like a time lapse. It was seriously cool. But my phone doesn't support GoPro time lapses, which is pretty annoying. So I'm a little bit gutted about that, but yeah. But anyway, my battery's going like blah blah blah, so I'm going to go. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, as always, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and hit that subscribe button as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Goodbye. Pew.